Holy cow. No, I'm gonna do this. Come on. There you go. These are, I think, a little bit easier to open because there's just been so much. Actually, move the whole keyboard. Um, I don't know what that was. I'm gonna ignore that because I don't have the knowledge of it. Taylor Gray, Cora LaJoy, ooh, William Byron, Matt DiBenedetto. I think that's how you say it. Dale Jarrett. Oh, and a regular 88. Holy cow, that is nice. Oh, I miss that car so much. Wish it was in the UPS one, but that 88 brings back nostalgia for me. Brad Keselowski. Parker Retzlaff. Don't know what that is. We are going to go over here. Holy cow, we have Darrell Waltrip. What is that? Holy crap. I miss you so much in there. Greg Biffle is a victory lane. I wonder when that was. Oh my god, we have a cold card. Lot of talking. Oh my god, we have a code card. We are gonna put it in the pile over there. Okay, Jeremy Clemens. Oh, and then we have another one. We have a Nick Sanchez. Sorry, didn't know. Honestly. Oh! Danica Patrick. Oh, it's a fun. Holy shiz. Oh my god. Holy crap. What the fuck? I'm not gonna lie. Everyone knows my thoughts on Danica Patrick. Don't know if my girlfriend will like this one. But yeah, honestly, just to even get a 101 auto of Danica Patrick.